Hey guys, I'm here with my little baby. So we just had breakfast and I wanted to film a day in a life with a toddler and a newborn, but he's literally 2 months and I've only just sat down to be able to get my camera out and actually film this. It's so difficult, let me tell you. I thought I'd show you. Hi Nazmia, what are you doing?
Watching
What are you watching?
those ones.
So, haven't been able to vlog in ages because it's been so difficult doing it all alone with these kids. So tough. And my sister came over today. The whole bubble thing, in case you're wondering. They're in our bubble, my family is. So, they come and help. Or Nazmia goes there. Whenever it's like if I'm working or whatever, they just help out basically. So she came over and she has been very kind and helping me. Oh, hi Nazmia. You want to sit on my lap? Okay, come on then. And so I thought, let me quickly do my makeup. I literally woke up, washed my face, did my makeup, got ready. I mean, I had a shower, got ready, and here we are, matching, aren't we?
Yes.
Are we matching?
Yes.
Yes.
Samina.
No, it's not Amina.
Fish.
Is it a fish? Oh no.
Amina.
Not Amina. Is he a fish?
Yeah, fish.
He's a fish. Oh no. No, he's not a fish. He's... Who's he?
Tiger.
He's a tiger. No, he's not a tiger. What is he?
Baby Lassie. Yay.
Give him a kiss.
Oh. Have lipstick in his
Oh, and this is my current situation. I got my blanket on my head just to come and talk to you guys. I am just having a very chilled out day today. Okay, this is why I can't vlog because I have to play with her. So it's playtime for us. Come on. Good girl, Miss is bringing her chair and we are playing. What are we playing? Ice cream shop.
Yeah.
Ow. And it's so cute, like it's got a scoop and it actually works. Are you okay? Look. What's wrong? Mwah. You're okay now. And then you can like put it on top.
No.
Why? I made you 3 special ice creams. That's £3, please. Like, and it comes with money. And there's a little spoon. Are you leaving your baby with me?
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay then.
I'm leaving.
You're leaving.
Leaving my baby. I'm leaving my baby.
We literally woke up, had breakfast and came out. And I edited my vlog yesterday. Finally, now all I need to do is do an outro, but I thought let me add this in because this is quite fun, isn't it? Nazmia, where are you? What are you doing? Your hands are cold. You're getting ice cream all over me. So went out this morning to see the snow and play in it because yesterday I didn't get any sleep, so I wasn't in the mood. But today, did you throw some more? Oh no. And so we're having loads of, it's actually so nice and it's not even that cold. This little boy's sleeping. He wasn't enjoying himself. He's not used to going out, so he didn't like it. My turn. This vlog has ended up becoming more of a bunch of mornings put together, but I wanted to keep it pretty real and as natural as possible and just show you guys that, you know what, it's not easy. But yeah, we're gonna go play while Elias is sleeping because once he wakes up we're gonna have to go inside as he'll need a feed. Ahmed's back at work officially, so it's just me and the kids. But we'll see how I get on with it, because this whole time it's been like 50-50 with the kids. What is it? But at least he still sleeps with Nazmia, which is saving me. It's I nearly just fell on the floor. Oh no. Okay, say bye everybody. See you in the next video. Say subscribe.
No.
Okay, bye guys.